Do you wake up in the middle of the night and have trouble in going back to sleep? Irregular sleep may be caused due to tension, depression, anxiety, or it may be a result of bad habits. Here are some few tips you can follow to get a better sleep. 1. Take a relaxing bath before going to bed. It will relax your mind and help you to fall asleep faster. 2. Exercising daily is a scientifically proven way to improve your sleep. 3. Decreasing nicotine and caffeine intake in the evening will reduce disturbance in sleeping. 4. Try sleeping in a dark bedroom. 5. Listen to calming and soothing music during bedtime. Music relaxes your mind and helps in getting better sleep. 6. Set your bedroom temperature. Your room temperature must not be too hot or too cold, it must be what you feel the most comfortable in. 7. Avoid irregular daytime naps.